Interesting times to be alive here. 67,800. That alone is worth a clap. Bitcoin at 67,800. And if you've been sticking with the lifer for as long as we've been live, then you've been longing the dips, you've been buying these red days, and you are in massive gains at this point. I'm giving you the actual key to life. But it's hard because you'll come back to it constantly. Today, I'm reminding myself, stay in the present, Sam. Everything is golden. You have it all in your hand if you stay in the present, because then you'll be able to see the opportunities around and take advantage. But if you get in your head and worry about the past, or if you stress too much about the future, that will get to you so much you will not be able to see what you need to see ahead. Look, a bit of a double bottom there too, which then hit the target perfectly. 68% of the time, that double bottom's supposed to break to the upside. It did exactly that. This was a textbook call for a double bottom. I'd be ready to short this, I'd be ready to long, and I know exactly how to do it if we need to. Someone may take a massive short here and just want to wait. I'd rather take the confirmations. I don't post up on perfect areas here because price action can reverse you occasionally. I like to wait for confirmations and then trade sectional moves inside. Big sign here, starting to close a candle in 11 minutes and 20 seconds. We want to close the 15-minute above the 200 MA. We do that, there's more likely of a move to the top of liquidity here at 67,469 and then on the way to 68,000. I'm piecemealing it to you as if it's a meteorologist giving you how the storm's coming and how it will pass. Let's take a look here on the weekly. We opened at 62,870. The high was 68,500. Beautiful. The low was 62,457. The candle closed so far at 68,127. The OB up $5,000, up 8%. One of the nicest candles Bitcoin has had in a long time. If you're just a simple-minded trader like I am, you don't have to go through 1,000 thoughts and obstacles. That's an inverted head and shoulder, and they break up 68% of the time. If I take this setup 7 out of 10 times, basically 6 out of 10 times, I'm gonna win. This flag's gotta break out like today or tomorrow. Look, the moving average is getting a little far apart. The 200 to the 21. It starts to get unsustainable. I mean, even then it tells you 74, 75. Like when the moving averages get tight, that's when you want to start thinking about getting into position. When you see tight moving averages, that's when you want to start being like, oh my gosh, something's happening here. There's going to be a big move. Deep just continuing to rip as I told you it would, baby. This thing is gone, baby, gone on the sauce, up 345 since we first looked at it. Even this little flag that I just put out 20 hours ago, this thing is up 21%. Gains, baby, gains. I mean, that was a huge pump for Solana. You would think it would have to kind of get a bit of a pullback. Look at, like, if you look at every single time frame, they look so extended. Wow, that was a crazy pump. Definitely a short squeeze. They definitely just squeezed the shorts. And you can see, look, shoulder, head right there, caught with the handle. It was written for you there on the 10-minute time frame. 15-minute looked bullish as well. We got to set up on Solana, right? Because I've been looking at Solana here. Looks like it's going to break out big. It's only a matter of time.